Hey guys, it's Lana and Bonnie from Birds Renovations. We're in Bonnie's home that is almost finished.
Nearly there,
renovating.
nearly, yeah.
And it's all been painted internally by and externally by the professionals, but there are some jobs we're going to DIY.
So we're here with the ensuite mirrors that we're going to give a little bit of a revamp. Got these online, they've arrived, they're brown and we want them white. So first step, sand, give it a good old sand, just to get that waxy kind of finish off it.
Give it a good brush to get rid of the dust.
Third,
we use the painter's tape just to mask up the edges, make sure that the paint doesn't bleed out onto the mirror.
and then the last step is paint.
Okay, so we've now put the primer on.
We have.
Yep, and we're going to put on 2 coats of the Dulux Wash and Wear in the Vivid White. Wow, okay, so this bed, where is it from?
So that's from IKEA. It was so simple to put together. You barely even
I
need
know.
to,
We've been sanding and it sort of feels like a bit of a waste of
It
time.
does.
It's sort of ready to go.
Second is usually a primer, but we probably don't even need to do that here as well. We can just put 2 coats
we might
on.
skip that and just go straight to the Dulux Wash and Wear.
The fun stuff.
All right, Bon, it's pot time.
Pot time! I've gone a bit nuts with the pots.
Yeah,
I
can see.
I just find any coloured pot and I just paint it white.
Yeah, it is such a good idea. So this one feels a bit dirty, so we're gonna have to clean it off, then we have to prime it,
Yes.
and then we'll paint it, and it's done. So Bon, after we've done the primer, we'll just use the weather shield.
Yeah, straight on
Which is
top.
just what we use on the outside of the house.
I know, like how good is it?
So Bon, the pots come up great.
I know, who would have thought it was terracotta?
I know, it looks fab.
Same paint that you use on the exterior.
Yep,
Pop it on your pot.
much cheaper than buying the real thing.
Yeah, so much cheaper.
Yeah, it looks great. So Bon, the IKEA beds that we painted look gorgeous.
I know.
And the contrast is gorgeous, it's so fresh. I thought these mirrors were going in the ensuite.
Oh, they just weren't right for the ensuite.
But I think they came up looking great.
Yeah, they
and
did.
with this whole rustic look, we didn't even have to be perfect painters to nail it. So as you can see, guys, painting everyday items, bringing them back to life, refreshing them is so easy. So why don't you try something new at your place?